MG has officially revealed its latest electric offering, the ES5 SUV, which is set to take over from the popular ES5. With a fresh design and upgraded technology, the ES5 aims to capture the attention of both current MG fans and new buyers looking for an efficient and stylish electric vehicle. The ES5 showcases a modern aesthetic that reflects MG's commitment to contemporary design. With sleek lines and a bold front fascia, the SUV projects a dynamic presence on the road. Its larger dimensions compared to the ES5 not only enhance its visual appeal but also promise improved interior space and comfort for passengers. Under the hood, the ES5 features advanced electric powertrains designed to deliver impressive performance. With a focus on efficiency, the SUV is expected to offer competitive range figures, making it suitable for both urban commuting and longer journeys. Preliminary reports suggest that the ES5 will provide an extended battery range, addressing one of the key concerns for electric vehicle buyers. Inside, the ES5 is equipped with a host of modern technology and comfort features. A spacious cabin incorporates high-quality materials and an intuitive infotainment system, ensuring that drivers and passengers stay connected and entertained. Advanced safety features will also be a priority, with various driver assistance technologies aimed at enhancing overall safety on the road. The introduction of the ES5 comes at a time when demand for electric SUVs is soaring globally. MG's strategic move to replace the ES5 with the ES5 demonstrates the brand's commitment to staying relevant in a competitive market. With the growing emphasis on sustainability and eco-friendly vehicles, the ES5 is poised to attract environmentally conscious consumers looking for practical and stylish options. As MG prepares for the ES5's market launch, expectations are high. The SUV not only aims to build upon the success of the ES5 but also seeks to solidify MG's reputation as a key player in the electric vehicle segment. With its combination of performance, technology, and design, the ES5 is set to become a strong contender in the rapidly evolving landscape of electric SUVs. In conclusion, the MG ES5 marks an exciting new chapter for the brand, offering a compelling alternative for those looking to transition to electric driving. As it prepares to hit the roads, the ES5 is expected to deliver an impressive balance of style, comfort, and efficiency, ensuring that MG remains at the forefront of the electric vehicle revolution.